got more APR goodies. Going on another B8.5.
Don't forget the drivetrain bushing.
Of course not. Why would we forget that? So we're doing pretty much the same thing as last time on the black S4 that we did. So we're doing the 034 drivetrain mounts, the Carbino stage 1 and 2.
Yes.
And then
closed intake.
Closed intake. And then we got resonated downpipes and the Touring Edition exhaust coming. And then we're gonna head down to Smith, take this bad boy to Delaware. And we're doing the DSG tune and the stage 1 tune. We did stage 2 on the last one, we're doing stage 2 on the last one, stage 1 on this one.
Yeah.
So let's get to some unboxing, see what the goodies are looking like. Ooh.
Instructions.
Ooh, very important.
In case you need to instruct things. Very, very beautiful piece.
Man.
Look at that, boys and girls.
That is some Carbino, my friend.
That is some nice parts.
Party parts. Who still uses packing peanuts? Mess everywhere. Wrapped.
Seriously.
Where are we? On this. Jeez, what are you getting paid by the hour?
Cheers.
Oh, carbon.
That's nice.
Damn, son, where'd you find that?
So it's gonna look a little bit
Let me get a little Mako, a little Maki Mock.
like, yeah,
Right,
you know,
right there.
lots of carbon fiber, lots of smiles.
And then, yeah, once the intake and everything else comes, or wow, we gonna cut. All right, step 1, gonna take out the intake. Taking out the stock intake's boring, so we're gonna go ahead and take it out just like that. And there we are. Stock intake is out. Lots of room for some carbon fiber goodies. What are you doing over here, E?
Just prepping the box to start putting the new cold air in.
And then this is the pipe. That was stock intake pipe versus the carbon fiber. And then this whole box is gonna get replaced by this intake, and then a little carbon fiber goodie to go on top of it, cover it up. Now we're looking at instructions. Little maintenance.
Yeah, always be kind.
Be kind to your box.
Be kind and blow your box out. Nice clean box now. Keep your house clean. So now we're gonna start assembling the lower half of the stock intake box with the new upper half of the APR stuff. Yeah, and it's gonna go pretty easy.
Sick!
We're all set up, put together. Bolts on the inside, or bolts on the outside going in, nuts on the inside. Reuses all the factory hardware from the stock air box.
That is some nice R&D, my man.
You can see fitment's very tight. Yeah, and the other thing too is you don't really need to go crazy torquing these bolts down. It is, you know, essentially plastic and carbon fiber, so you don't want to crack anything.
Those feet suck. Those are the worst parts about putting in the intakes. Like on mine, it took forever. These little feetsies. biggest
Might
pain.
even be a little bit easier to start them in the holes.
Probably, because this thing's
As you
so
can see, this has been out before. It's all not straight.
mangled. We're gonna check back in once we got it all buttoned up, because all we gotta do is just run that Carbino hard pipe right to the box inlet, and then she'll be all done up front.
API come already?
Yeah, he just dropped off for his truck. Yeah. What's going up in the air? S4! Oh, okay.
Well, we got the intake installed, so now we're gonna do our trans insert and our rear diff inserts.
Yeah, buddy.
Pretty cut and dry. Nothing.
Numero uno.
No crazy labor going on here.
And just give me a little point there for the people at home.
We're gonna be putting the inserts in this guy here and this guy back here. If you can see that.
And
And then we also have one for this center mount here. So then that gives you all 3 points. 1, 2, 2, 3. Complete.
yeah, buddy.
Trans piece.
Ooh, that's purty.
Took the little bracket out already. You got your 2 bolts here. You're gonna use those guys. Leave the bracket out.
Bang, bang, skeet, skeet.
And then this should slide in nice and easy.
Look at that.
Go back and check them in torque wrench.
Gonna check it with a torquey, but you guys get the idea. That is how we are living over here.
So now we're gonna be installing these guys. All
Ooh,
right.
let me get a little zoom. Where'd it go? Ooh.
Can I get it down here?
Ah!
Do one at a time. Makes it a hell of a lot easier just getting the bolt in straight without, messing up any threads. So
Yerp.
yeah.
And it's not really easy to see, but basically all he's doing there is just pulling out a long bolt. We'll try and get it when pushing the mount into it, but basically just fills up all the holes, stiffens it up. Did it in my car, doing it in his car, did it in the last S4 we did. It's just, it's worth it. It's easy upgrade.
Mandatory.
Mandatory.
Very mandatory mod.
Sorry, if you're gonna upgrade your S4 here, we have to do that. It's unnegotiable. Non-negotiable? Unnegotiable? Tomato, tomato?
Yeah, same.
Potato, potato?
Potato, potato.
Oh, we're back. All right, we're back.
All right.
Where were we?
So we're putting these inserts in. These things just help with, deflection of the rear diff when you're driving, to the grocery store at 100 miles an hour. So.
Just normal day-to-day use. And then just gonna slip that bolt in, and the bolt will pretty much walk the insert, the mount, whatever.
Insert.
Jargon,
We'll
technical
call them
terms,
inserts.
And then that'll just walk. And tight. And there it is. That's the best we're gonna do.
Sorry.
But that's gonna fill it in. And then we're gonna do the same thing on the same side. Oh wait, editing magic, we already did it, so that's what it's gonna look like. But we forgot to explain it and didn't do a very good job, kind of, everything bad. So,
Yeah.
a little behind the scenes magic there for y'all.
What?
And gonna tighten that down. And then we're gonna move on to the final bushing. And then it is time to go to Delaware.
On top, this one, so that's kind of what it looks like installed in the car, but out of the car, if you can kind of imagine that.
I don't have to imagine you're doing a good job showing it. Damn, my blurry, whatever. I got it, don't worry.
Nah, you don't really need too much on here. These ones actually fit in very nice. The 3.4 did an awesome job with these things. They work.
034, if you hear this.
They fit, they're awesome.
We feature your stuff a lot.
They work good. I mentioned they're aluminum. Shiny.
And they're shiny. Alright, that pretty much wraps up what we're doing now. Part 2 of the video is going to be once AWE finishes the downpipes, exhaust. That'll be it.
Couple weeks for that.
Couple weeks.
Hopefully another week and a half we'll see our finishing pieces. Now, this is only stage 1 car. No pulleys, no upper pulley, no lower pulley, no ultracharger, no cooler. So this is like, you know, what you can do as far as just bolting on, maxing out stage 1, really getting your.
This is the peak before stage 2.
Yeah.
It has literally stopped. I am this freaking far. 5 minutes. Ah! What am I gonna do? Ah, we good. Woo! That was only like 10 goddamn minutes. Alright, we almost at Smith. Let's go, baby. At Smith Volkswagen, gonna go get the ECU tune and the TCU tune done. Then it's back to PA, and then we're just waiting on the AWE resonated downpipes and touring exhaust, and then this baby will be all wrapped up. Stage 1.